Hi everyone. Hello and welcome. Let us talk about 3 ways you can transfer PNG files to your reMarkable. Now, you only get so many ways depending on whether you are a Mac or whether you are a Windows machine. And I've been colouring in, which is why my pen is on marker. All right, so let's have a look. If you are a Mac user, then eInkPads has a program. They have a template installer and a screen personalizer, and they have a bundle. Now, full disclosure, I am an affiliate. Mine's down here. You can use that and get a discount, no problem. But full disclosure, I bought the binder and I couldn't get it working. So I let them know, and what they ended up doing is giving me, the binder just has these 2 programs in it, right? I couldn't get it to work. I couldn't get either of them to work inside of the binder, which is in another little software program. So they actually gave me free of charge each of these individual programs, and I've been able to get them to work. But I do have a video on it that you can access. I have 2 videos, one for each one that walks through each of those. And it's, you know, it's not a perfect software. It glitches at times, and I have to restart it. But I'm a Mac user, so this is my option right now. Okay, so that's the option I have found for Mac. For Windows, I've found 2 free reMarkable tools, which I have purchased and used. I will do a review video on it. And it wouldn't let me upload more than 3 files, which I thought, no, 4 screens, 4 PNG templates, which I thought was odd. And I'm going to try again, because I've heard rave reviews about this. I've heard it's very, very good. And so I think I must have been doing something wrong probably. So I want to go back and check that out. And recently, one of my customers told me about RCU. Again, I have not used RCU, so I'm just letting you know about it. You can go and find it if you want. And I am actually going to get it and see how it is as well, because it's another program that's been written to help you install here into your, and it works for Mac, apparently. I remember looking at it a while ago, months back, and I just thought, at this point in time, it was too much information for me to read through and absorb, with doing all of the help videos and stuff, and then creating all the stuff I've got in my shop. It was just too much for me. But I'm going to come back to it now and have a look at it, and I will certainly leave a review on the YouTube channel, here on the channel once I've done that. So they're the 2 options for Windows. FreeReMarkableTools.com. I've heard very good reports about that one. I haven't done a review yet because, like I say, I got stuck using it, and I'm sure it's me and not the software. So I want to go through that and get that working Mickey Mouse. And this one, I am going to get this at some point, probably in the next month, and see if it works. And I will create a review video for it. And then there's eInkPads for Mac. So they are the 3 ways to transfer PGM files to your reMarkable. Some love would be awesome. Bye.